Okay, so this is a new week, and we are going to look at last week why the GBPUSD rallied last week, and this is the chart. And technically, you can see we are looking at the upside. The market looks bullish so much, and we are looking on the upside. So why we had the rally, a massive rally last week? You can see this opening last week on this gap down here. So okay, first we're going to look at the results, what the market was like, um, how results matched our technical analysis for last week. Okay, so let's look at that. um yeah. Okay, so we're going to look at this results. Okay, so we use XNext, we manage Forex account for clients. So let's look at the history for last week and see what our trades was like for last week. Okay, you can see we were more on the buy and selling the USD card, and this client made this amount of cash. And let's just watch two accounts, and then we can head over to what we have for today. All right, so for last week, yeah, so this is that. All right, so let's head over to why the GBPUSD rallied. So on the market opening, which was on Monday 13th, we had this massive gap down. Okay, so we had this massive gap down here. You can see we had a shooting star here, and then the market dropped down all the way here. Of course, the market was looking bullish before the weekend, the upper weekend. So now we have this back down, gap down here. So we expected this market to refill back here to the zone, so which is like a resistance zone here. Okay, and then we're expecting not so much. So of course we have higher lows and higher highs. So we can call this one higher low, which this is one, and we have higher low here, and we have two, and we are having another higher low here. Okay, so what happens? So we can say this is three, but now we need clarity for this market to continue the rally. So if this market comes down here, it's still a higher low. Okay, whatever you call it, lower high or higher low. So this is still higher than the previous, so that's why. Okay, and we are looking at on the upside still. So if this market comes back here, so we can expect something like this, and the market would probably still from here, maybe on Monday, we can have a consolidation market going smaller sway, smaller candles, and then we go on the upside. All right, so we are looking at continuation of the buy on GBP USD for the fourth week. Okay, coming up. So let's see what's gonna happen, and just pay attention to the market, how the market will respond to those zones, and then we can continue the buy or then change the direction of the order. All right, so we help clients manage their Forex account, and we offer mentorship, signal service. You can sign up, or you can and also follow us on Instagram, which is 7figure GT, and you can visit our website 7figure 7figuregt.com. So I think I can go through the website and see. So here you can go on our website. So on 7-figure GT, and then you can sign up for an account management with us. All right. Okay, so back there, so let's look at what the market would do in the coming week. All right, so I'm going to clear that so we can. Okay. So looking at GU, if we're going to zoom out the chart, if we're going to zoom out the chart, you can see what it's gonna look like. Looking more on the upside. All right, so on Monday, late Monday, we're going to look at the market analysis again and post it on YouTube. And so do well to subscribe, follow us for more, and enjoy our services on account management.